Let's go and talk about sketching angles in standard form. But in this video, I don't want to go over the basic examples that your teacher is always going to go over inside the classroom and then give you on your homework. I want to go over some examples that you can expect to see on your test, because I may, as being a teacher, may have given some of these examples to my own students on a test after I went over the general idea of how to sketch an angle. So the first angle is going to be 5 pi over 8. Now we're going to do this in standard form. So if you just remember, standard form is going to be on the XY axis, with the initial side here being on this positive x-axis, and we're going to rotate in the positive direction. So we're going to be sketching on the unit circle. So we have a nice big circle right over here. Now, the key thing that I want you to pay attention to when we're sketching all of these angles is notice the value on the bottom. That is basically going to be how many times we're going to break up half of the circle. So you can see here, we have the number 8. Right now, we have it broken down into halves, right? This y-axis is breaking down half of the circle into halves. Now, why am I saying break it down? Because remember, halfway around a circle is going to be pi, right? So what we could do is we could rewrite pi as a 2 pi over 2, right? We could also rewrite it as an 8 pi over 8. So what that means is I want to break this up into 8 equal sections. So right now we have 2. If I draw a line over here, now I have 4 sections. So I could also rewrite this as a 4 pi over 4. And then to get 8, I'm just going to cut each and every one of these in half. Now again, if I want to be able to sketch the angle 5 pi over 8, I basically just want to identify, starting from my positive x-axis, what would 5 sections be for that angle. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see this angle would be right here. So this would be my initial side, and this would be my terminal side. If I was just going to clean everything up a little bit, it would look something like this. Say we'd have that angle right there, and we'd say 5 pi over 8 is going to represent that angle just looking like that. Hopefully you understand, at least you understand and are better prepared to tackle these types of questions if that happens to come up on your test, quiz, or exam. And if you want more videos on me going over sketching angles or evaluating using the unit circle or anything on trig, then check out the next video I have for you here.